Hi, it's Andrew from Vocabulary Ninja. I'm really excited to announce that in September I've put together an exciting package of CPD for schools to be able to get involved and access the training associated with putting Vocabulary Ninja into place in schools. So, come September, I've put together a package of training on multiple days. So the training is exactly the same no matter which day that you sign up for. The training starts at 9 a.m. And finishes around 12 p.m. with a short break in between. The sessions are going to cover how to effectively implement Vocabulary Ninja into your school, the classroom setup that's involved with it, how to develop effective learning systems in school associated with implementing Vocabulary Ninja's word of the day, and also how to bring everything together in one neat package so that sequentially across school everybody understands how vocabulary plays an important role of academic attainment for children. So part of the model that I'm offering is not just about the training itself. I've really thought long and hard about what's the sort of best offer that I can put out there for schools, considering the uncertainty still, even possibly in September, of COVID and maybe CPD being cancelled, etc. So, as I said, I've thought really long and hard about, well, what is the best package that I can put together for schools. Virtually is going to be the offer, but if you do sign up to the training in September, on whichever day that you decide, depending on how your CPD and academic calendar falls, I've decided to make sure that the package is really rounded and contains lots and lots of other additional physical resources that come with the package. So first and foremost, as part of the training, every single school that signs up gets access for 12 months to Vocabulary Ninja's online resource website. If you are a school that already has a subscription to the site, then the price is adjusted accordingly. So if you then do sign up for the training, don't worry about that sort of overlay of cost. It's adjusted from your price from the training. Every school that also signs up, really excitingly for pupils, every school that signs up will get basically a Vocabulary Ninja mascot for every single classroom, which is really important in terms of raising the profile and awareness of vocabulary. So every single class will have one of these delivered to them prior to the training. As well as that, importantly in terms of supporting the CPD, every booking will also come with a copy of my best-selling book, Vocabulary Ninja, again to add to your school's CPD library, but also to support the training that's been put in place and that people have undertaken on whichever morning you choose. So every school will get a copy of this, which is fabulous to know. Every school will also get a copy of my new book, Write Like a Ninja. So again, dropping that into every school's CPD library. So straight away, we've got 12 months access to the website. We've got a copy of Vocabulary Ninja. We've got soft toy mascots for every single classroom and the actual training itself on the day, which is the main part of the whole booking. As well as that, every school that's involved gets an exclusive 20% discount on any other sort of book purchases through myself. So if you were wanting to buy the Comprehension Ninja series or additional Write Like a Ninja resources, then that wouldn't be a problem, and I can offer you a 20% discount with that as well. So there are lots of other elements that you do get as well. You get a range of digital resources that come with the booking that you will get prior to September. In June, you will get all of that come through digitally, along with the physical resources in terms of the books, the Ninja mascots, and access to the website in June as well. So you get more than 12 months access so that you can be ready for September to come. So all in all, it's a really sort of comprehensive package of training. I'm really looking forward to delivering it. Some of the recent feedback that we've had is that teachers really love the fact that the training is very practical, in the sense that they feel very equipped, both strategically and resource-wise, to go into the classroom the very next day and begin to deliver Vocabulary Ninja's word of the day and everything that's associated with it. I think the important part of offering the training as well as a morning session is that it also gives you the afternoon then to go and put into place some of the practical strategies in terms of organising the classroom and being ready for the children returning. So although it is only a morning, and I know lots of schools want a full day, in essence you can very easily make it a full day without the cost attached by directing staff to prepare the classrooms, to prepare the resources, to get access and to be ready for the children returning, so that the word of the day and vocabulary can become an essential part of every classroom within your school, knowing that you have that sequence of learning and that system that reliable system that gets the best for every single pupil. So if you're interested in booking and you're interested in taking part in the training on any of those dates that are available on the website, that'll be next to this video on the website, then feel free to just click a specific date. All you've got to do is choose the date, select which one your school wants to come to, and book it. You can do that on the website in terms of a payment, or you can come through the booking form and request an invoice. Either way, that's absolutely fine with me, and I look forward to seeing your bookings coming through, and I look forward to being able to deliver that training into your school and set your school off to a smashing start to the year with the Vocabulary Ninja.